Hi, I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads. Portable video magnifiers are really important if you want to be able to see large print images and other big print things on the go. Today we're going to learn about a new product from Optelec that is called a Compact Touch HD that has some pretty cool touch interfaces. Check it out.
Hi, I'm Tom Blackman with I Can See, and I'm here today to talk about a brand new product by Optelec, and it's called the Optelec Compact Touch, and it's a portable electronic low vision device which I have here in my hand, and we're going to show you how this works and give you an idea of what all it can do for you. The unit is a 5-inch screen. It has a rechargeable battery that is removable, so you can have more than one battery. You connect the battery and you're ready to go. So we have an on-off switch at the top of the unit. You press and hold, and it starts to come on. And we're going to go ahead and show you how this unit works. Again, it's the Optelec Compact Touch. So touch means we're going to be touching the screen. To make it bigger or smaller, I can touch the left side or the right side with my hand, and I just move up or down. Once I get the size I want, I just touch it and it refocuses the image. Now right now we have a line visible there, which we can turn that on or off. There is a line visible, you get in a blank area here right there. Now that's an artificial line which we can turn off if we want to, and I'll show you how we do that. To change the mode, you can take your one finger and go to the middle of the unit and come down. And you can see now we have white on black. We have a brighter version of black on white. There's yellow on black, and you just go through all the various modes. Now you can turn some of these modes on or off. There's green, red, and then you can go back the same way. And that's all done with one finger, starting at the top or the bottom and going all the way up. A little different than the sizing, which is you go to the side of the unit. You go to the side of the unit, and that makes it larger or smaller. And I can go to the other side and do the same thing. It's larger or smaller. To retouch it, and it refocuses on the image. If I want to change some of the items like the line marker, I take 3 fingers, start at the bottom, come up. As soon as I do that, these appear. One is the control on the left will turn the beep, the auditory beep on or off, like that. I can turn those line markers off, or I can have it horizontal or vertical, and then turn it off. I do have a brightness control. There's dim, a little brighter, a little brighter, a little brighter. There's the brightest, then back to dim. So you got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually 5. You're starting at the lowest level. And then if you don't touch the screen again, those will disappear. You can get fairly far away from the text. Here's our text. And again, the further away you get, you just touch the screen to refocus. I'm getting a little bit further away. Touch the screen to refocus. So we're probably about 7 or 8 inches away, maybe a little bit more, and we still have a very good image. And there's our different images there. I come up a little higher, touch it, refocus. So you can get pretty far, or you can come in closer to it. So just by going in and out, that also has an effect on the size of the image. You can also take this unit and take the handle and slide it over, and then lay it on the text. And now I've got hands, I don't have to hold it, I can just move it on the text. At this point I can connect this unit to a large monitor with a cable, HD TV cable or a RCA connector cable, and have that image projected onto a large monitor. Again, all this operation still will work the same. And then finally, I can take this magnetized sheet that comes with it, I can lay this down. And take a piece of paper, lay it on top of this sheet, and then on the bottom of this handle is there's a magnet, and there's magnetized here on the sheet. So what you do now is you can move the device. You can hear the click, and eventually you get into a little channel there. Once you get into the channel where you want to be as far as the row of text, now you can move left and right without worrying about going down or up. You're going to be able to go straight because you're in a little groove that's supplied with this sheet that comes with it, as well as the magnet on the handle. Then I can move down, I can move left and right like that. And again, I don't have to have the sheet though. I can just have it, I can just use it without the sheet. Comes with a carrying case. Obviously the rechargeable battery, you can have more than one battery so that you can, if you're running out of power with one battery, you can have another one and just put it in, plug it in, which is really nice. So it's called the Optelec Compact Touch HD. The retail price is $995. And again, we can offer this to you here locally, and thank you very much.
So that's a handy, high-tech way to get large print wherever you need it. That's your tech tip for this week. I'm Wade Wingler with the Indata Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.